Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello, I am Alejandro Diaz, a pupil from 6A.
Hello, I'm Alma, a pupil from 6B.
Hello, I am Claudia, a pupil from 6D.
And we are going to do an experiment. We are going to make a volcano in eruption. First, we will make a volcano and then we will make it erupt.
What materials do we need?
The materials we are going to use are vinegar, clay, a spoon, red food coloring, a yogurt container, sodium bicarbonate, gel, and black, white, and green plasticine.
Let's start. Take the clay and knead it into a container. We need to mold the clay with our hands to create the shape of the volcano. It should be smooth and have a conical shape.
Place it on a base, wood, cardboard, whatever you want. We are going to use cardboard.
Let's make the crater. To make the crater, use a spoon to remove some clay. Creating a cavity where we will place the yogurt container.
Now we are going to decorate the volcano. Use white clay dot around the top of the volcano and green on the base. To keep decorating, make long rolls with black clay dot. Flatten them and place them around the top of the volcano. Now let's prepare the mixture. Add a small cup of vinegar. A little gel, and a few drops of red food coloring. Stir the mixture. Now put the mixture into the volcano's crater. And now comes the action. Add a spoonful of baking soda and watch what happens. The volcano erupts. What happened? We have mixed vinegar and baking soda and this has made the volcano erupt. Where has this happened?
The volcano has erupted because when two different substances are mixed, a chemical reaction occurs and a new substance is created. In this case, vinegar, which is an acid, and baking soda, which is a base, have been mixed and they have produced a gas, carbon dioxide. This gas produces lava.
We hope you like it.
It's very easy, you can do it at home.
Bye bye!